Welcome to our webinar. I'm glad you were able to join us for a presentation of estate planning myths, how to plan your estate in Mississippi. We live in perilous times in America. Over 93 million lawsuits are filed in this country every year. Over a million bankruptcies were filed in 2006 alone, and that number, as we all know, is on the rise. We have the highest divorce rate in the world, hovering right around 50%. One in every two marriages in this country ends in divorce. Nursing home expenses are going through the roof. Nationally, nursing homes average over $70,000 per year, making over almost 500,000 people every year go bankrupt through trying to pay for long-term care expenses of family members. Over 8 million probate cases are filed every year in this country. And of those, countless numbers of them wind up in litigation over wills and living trusts that were improperly drafted. The things that we're going to talk to you about today could all happen to you. Every illustration that I give in this webinar today is a real-life situation that's been pulled from a real-life client of the Morton Law Firm. In 20 years of representing clients, we've discovered that our clients really have 5 major concerns when planning their estates. They want to pass along their hard-earned wealth to their loved ones with no court involvement. They'd like to avoid any unnecessary taxes. They want to avoid going broke from long-term care expenses. They want to protect their family from what I call creditors and predators, people that may take advantage of them. And they actually want to receive the benefits that they've earned during their lifetimes. Ultimately today, we're going to express to you a lot of knowledge. But in the end, the knowledge by itself is not enough. And so our focus today is not only on conveying knowledge to you, but also showing you how that knowledge affects you and how you can put that knowledge into action. And what I hope to do today is prompt you to take action, action that will benefit you and your family. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ronnie Morton. I've been a lawyer for about 20 years, most of which I've been representing people in planning their estates and in helping them qualify for public benefits. I have a law degree and as well as an undergrad degree from Mississippi College. I have a Master's of Law and Taxation from the University of Alabama, and I am a certified elder law attorney. I'm the only lawyer in the state of Mississippi to have both earned a Master's of Law and Taxation and to be designated as a certified elder law attorney by the National Elder Law Foundation. I was managing editor of the Mississippi College Law Review while I was there. I presently serve as president of Baptist Homes, a charity that provides housing for adult mentally retarded, as well as numerous other charitable organizations that I serve on the boards of. Now, I'm a member of a lot of organizations, but one of the organizations I'm most proud to be a member of is the American Academy of Estate Planning Attorneys. The American Academy is a group of lawyers like me that focuses solely on estate planning, estate administration, and public benefit planning. And the reason that I mention the American Academy is they've got some good press recently. Money Magazine recently did an article on estate planning, and they said if you don't have an estate planning lawyer, look to the American Academy of Estate Planning Attorneys for a qualified estate planning attorney. Susie Orman, the financial consultant, in one of her recent books said recently that if you're looking for a qualified estate planning attorney, look no further than the American Academy of Estate Planning Attorneys. And I felt like those were pretty good endorsements for that organization. I'm the only member of the American Academy of Estate Planning Attorneys in the state of Mississippi. We have a pretty robust website. No doubt you arrived here through our website, so you've certainly found it, but I would encourage you to make that a resource. If you haven't already looked at our website, we have a lot of articles, a lot of reports that you can download, just a lot of good, robust information. And so I would encourage you to make that part of your resources in looking at planning